What's up, y'all? I'm back. Today we about to go fishing. We gonna call this the catch and cook. He said big brisket. Hey man, we about to go fish with Mikey and Big Josh, man.
Let me see. Hey, nigga, face forward. Look at this nigga, man. Look at him. Double stuffed Oreos. Man. Triple ice cream sandwich.
Man, it look like it's about to rain, man. I hope it don't rain.
Broke with swag, so
if I had no money, I still, he said, even if I ain't had nothing, I still had sauce.
Yeah.
But you can also get lost in the sauce.
That's a fact.
I saw with them killers, yeah. Get a drum, we spinning, yeah. The boy ain't a spinning block. Play with him, he doing, man. I know 2, 3 rolling with me. That's your bitch inside the bin. Don't sweat the bitch, cause I got plenty. Get rich or I try, I fit.
Come on, take a picture right here, buddy. Come on.
Oh, you want a picture?
There you go.
Look at my boy. He said, get him up in there.
There you go. Get out of the video now.
Yeah, man. Easy, man. What we on today, man?
We about to go fishing, man. We gonna cook some food, everything. Catch and cook.
Yeah, man. Make some good spaghetti. Izzy said he cooking tonight. He said spaghetti and fish on Izzy.
I'll give you a snapper. I can give you some bait. I'll give you some snapper. How much is it per dozen? $14.99 a dozen.
He got the sneak attack.
No, I was about to put you in the chokehold, but you got too far away from me. I'll just push you. Hey, man.
We going fish. I gotta see what I'm gonna catch, bro. I really don't want to touch no fish, bro, for real. But no worms. Nothing. I'm not from the country.
You ain't touching no worm.
Man, I need gloves, bro. I need gloves. Man, I had to get my gloves, man. I ain't touching it with my hands. Man, we out here fishing, man.
Feel this spider web, man. This shit is like strong as hell.
Can't even see it on the camera. Hey,
You can feel it. This is strong.
I can't even see that shit no more. Yeah, this shit is crazy. Man, how many fish you catching, man?
I think I'm gonna go for 4. Oh shit.
How many you catching, Josh?
They talking about my over-under is 1, so I'm going for 2.
You got something on there already? No, I'm saying you put the live bait on there? Hey, Mike think he a pro at this, man?
Something that I know.
Man, that's crazy, boy. Man. That's crazy.
Izzy, your ass scared the beta.
Hey, so when you put them on the hook, they still alive? Yeah, I just... You lost it? Yeah. Oh man, you a rookie. You a rookie.
This is real right here. It's real. Fucked up.
You got something? No.
Whoa, my Glock on the dresser.
My shit instantly got hit. Guard.
That nigga still alive, good.
Oh, I'm like the best.
He not kicking for real though.
when they be lost. Look at that bass right there.
Oh yeah, just put. Ooh yeah, catch that. That's easy. That's something easy. Oh yeah, that's something easy. Hey Dylan, get him. He trying to run away. You got him. Ooh.
Dude, that's a good ball.
Ooh.
Been there, big.
He got him.
Hey, he said, ain't no fish gonna come.
He just caught one real quick. Let me see him.
Let's go some dinner real quick, man.
Oh yeah,
Dinner real quick.
that's
man.
crazy.
See that, Josh?
Hey, all right, okay. Mike might be a pro. He might be a pro.
Nigga, you just literally seen a big ass bass right.
Man, he just caught one. 2 pulls,
Stop playing. Hey, I had one over here too.
2 swings, or whatever you call it. I ain't never buy it. Oh yeah. Good. It's man.
You can't get this one.
Alright. He over with. Pick him up. Let me see him. Oh yeah, he over with.
I'm gonna wait till he dies and just put him in there.
I want a catfish, man.
You gotta do that though.
The catfish?
Yeah, you gotta put the catfish on. I'll get you right. I'll set your line up though.
Alright.
You gotta bait that. I ain't baiting this shit. I ain't gonna.
Icy.
I don't know if you catching another one today though. I think you really got lucky.
He know he did too. That's why he laughed like that. I'm hating till I catch one, bitch ass. Hey, today I'm hating till I catch a fish.
That's why you ain't gonna catch one.
I don't care. Well, if I don't catch one,
Ain't gonna be hungry.
I bet
Hello?
you make me find me some.
Nah, I'm in Florida.
Here it goes, Josh. I'm about to get another one for you.
They ain't a race. Oh, got him.
Yeah, shit. See what did he gone?
Seen that easy.
Something, Dylan? Oh yeah. We cooking him? Oh man, catch and release. Let me touch it real quick. Man, I'll cook him.
Alright, you gotta hook the damn catfish bait game. That shit, you might hold your breath.
Alright.
Hold your breath. It's like 2 of them, and just put them on the hook like this.
Yeah, I'm about to catch me a catfish, man. I ain't gonna lie, I see why y'all like fishing though. It is kind of therapeutic. Nature boy, no island boy. Who caught that, Dylan? Yeah, okay. Let me see him.
Real fisherman.
So this ain't no baby though.
This still a baby, but
We eating him.
boy, them gloves smell like.
Yeah,
Oh, you gotta throw it on there one more time.
I know. I caught that. I have to go record that real quick. I'm gonna have a lot of. You got something, Mike?
It's a guard for sure.
Damn, that sun coming out, short.
Part about fishing I hate. That bait right there.
Man, we got 2. Trying to get something local.
Why this nigga playing dead? Stop playing dead, nigga. You not dead.
Well, they don't like dead fish or something?
They'll eat them, but if it's alive, it just looks, you feel me, better to them, for real. I caught that damn fish right on the damn, right at the front.
Yeah, we dry right now, man. We ain't getting nothing.
It's a waiting game.
When that sun go down,
You got something?
oh, it just came up.
Fish out over here.
Oh, yeah. Get that net, boy. Get that net, boy. What we got? Oh, ooh, that's on fat. Nah, that's, yeah. We keeping him.
Yeah, he's getting cooked.
All right, Dillion got 2, Mikey. Why you coming, bro? Like, what's up? Dillion got.
Give me some time.
Good 2 piece.
All right, we got 3 right now. We got 3.
Hey, nah, you know
Look
where I
at
heard
him.
that from?
We're trying to get about something. You can't see the bobber right there. We need another hook.
How you doing? Good, how you doing?
Hey, Izzy,
Yeah.
grab me a hook.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on there.
Should I get a bigger one than the one I had though? I think this one's small, huh?
We wait. Yeah, we hide.
We ain't got no water.
I got some right here.
This one and then
Wait, why
Oh,
your bottle
yeah.
look like that?
We got us some action. They took the thing off. Come on, Dillion, catch us some fish, bro.
And put it through the loop.
I record that. All right, bet.
There you go,
I
Izzy
got it.
Josh. There you go.
Mike just caught me a catfish off my bait, boy. Ooh, boy.
Yo, what's it called in here?
Let's
Switch
go.
your line.
Let's go.
It's that, bro. I'm telling you, it's that bait attracted them though.
yeah, cause that be right where you.
And I just dropped something on accident. Let's go. I ain't. Well, come on.
That's a big ass.
Damn.
Hey, be careful though, bro. They got spines. Like in
I
the
think that was
fins
a
and
hook.
shit. Oh, damn, that was it.
Oh, that was, yeah, that shit hurt it, boy.
Big cat.
I'd have dropped the bait, too. Where'd the bait go?
Grab the pliers out the bag.
The pliers. All right, Mike, I see you. Josh, you ain't caught no fish, Josh.
Josh barely even about the fish. Every pole I grab only got like 10 feet of line on it.
I ain't never even seen no catfish for real, unless it's fried. So I only seen the catfish when it's fried. Grilled catfish. This is a bag. Yeah, we gonna fry him. He getting fried tonight. We making southern fried catfish.
Let me see the knife.
Caught one catfish. I caught one catfish. About to catch another one. I'm trying to see though, like, I can't.
Told you don't throw it hard.
Yeah, we eating good tonight though, bro, for sure.
Fish and rice.
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at the guard right here. See it swimming on top of the water?
Yeah. That's a guard.
See that bitch?
Oh, I don't see it.
Yeah, right here.
What is it? What is that?
The guard.
You can eat those?
You can probably get it.
Yeah, get that. We can eat it.
You don't want to eat this shit.
Sun going down, man. We need to catch at least one more catfish. 2 catfishes and a couple bass. Bass.
The catfish get breaking at nighttime.
Caught no fish over here, huh?
That's he was cooking the worms with the video.
I think when we first come here, right? We catch a bass right here.
We caught hella crappie and shit. We was catching bass every year.
How many times you come out fishing? Like a month?
Week?
Yeah.
A week? Probably like once or twice a week.
Yeah, true.
Fishing probably, probably like 10 times a month, huh?
Put some salmon up in her.
About Sam 8.
About salmon on 'em. You see a rotating. Why they swimming in here? I thought it was a private lake.
They got their own little shit on here. Who closed that?
I mean, who wants big ass catfish?
Is something on there? UCF routine.
Good routine. Good routine on
This nigga was shredding him.
For sure. You gotta think though, some niggas.
Oh shit, I got one.
Yes, sir. Oh man.
Yeah, so that bitch right in the lead, man. That shit instant.
They took the fish.
And the damn hook.
And look at the clouds right now, how this shit coming through.
Yeah, normally this should look crazy. Like it'll probably get crazy more the sun go down.
Niggas trying to get out of there.
How many fish we done lost today?
There's one on that one.
Oh yeah, come on, yeah. Man, these guys finessing, they getting free food off us. We gotta catch the guards on purpose to eat them.
Sick, man.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm reloaded. Man, at least we caught something early though, bro. Yeah, at least we caught something early. We ain't gotta be too greedy. It's cool.
Fish. It's dinner, nigga. Broke around this bitch. We hunting for food, nigga.
Come on, man. Don't lose it, bro. Yeah, bring them in. Oh, yeah, what that is? Yeah. Do you? Yeah. Bring us that net. Give me that net, brother.
What is this? What's the bear?
Oh, yeah.
It's a fat bass.
Yeah. What's a both of them? It's a what? I don't know what it is. Oh, yeah. What's that? A gar? Oh, all right, bet. We eating him too. No Diddy. Pause. Yes, sir. All right, Mike, how many fish you catch today, bro? That's like your third one?
Might be mine.
How many you got? Dylan, how many you catch? 2?
2 or 3. You want this?
All right, bro. Everybody, Mikey know how to fish, man. He caught like 3 or 4 of them. He know what he doing. Dylan caught 2, man. He need to catch up, bro.
Real fisherman. How many you caught?
Hey, look. I caught 1 catfish, man. That's my catfish, boy. A video, boy.
Yes, sir. Need them.
Yes, sir. All right, bet. Yeah, we good.
I say one more. My fault.
Good bass. Hey, we eating good tonight, boy.
I'm gonna cut these at least some of them.
They hit the portal on their ass.
I'm gonna put this in the net. So I'm gonna take them off. Who did, Cam?
Shit, we can keep catching. He could cool.
We caught 6 fish so far, bro. Let's see what else we can get. And a sundown too. 7, 8. All right, bet. Y'all did say when the sun come down. We caught 2 when the sun came down. Sunset, rather. You got something else? Came off. Somebody calling. You say you feel productive, bro?
Mom, how much? 6, 8?
Like 7, I think. 7 of them. What up, Josh? How you feeling, bro? You ain't catch no fish, brother.
Be like that.
We caught a couple of them, man. Now it's time to go to the crib. Time to go to the crib and go cook them. We gotta go to Walmart first. We gotta go buy the ingredients and everything. See, I'll tap in. Where is that?
We got rice.
You want to make pasta?
But I don't know if they gonna have that. Whatchamacallit? I know they had it at Walmart, but I don't know if they gonna have it here. Man, we got all the ingredients we need, bro. We got the lemonades, got French fries, we got the fish. I'm gonna show them how to make mild sauce like they was in Chicago, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show them how to do it. How that taste, man?
Tastes like
good.
God bless us today.
Yes, sir.
Why you gotta come with some OD like that?
Yes, sir.
You know, we definitely is. Yeah, that's a spicy Diddy.
Hey, boy. Hey, stop tweaking, boy.
Oh, God.
Hey, stop tweaking, boy.
I'm just saying.
Good, bro.
We're gonna try right now. Try that fish first. That bass?
Food decent? Alright.
What is
We
this?
just,
The rack
we just
special?
made a whole bunch of bullshit and put it together. I said I was gonna do that though. Did I not?
Yeah. That's sweet.
Did I not say I was gonna hate all day? Call me
Sweet and
Hey
spicy
Daniel.
spaghetti.
Hey Daniel, man, that shit
Sweet
don't
spicy.
even look good. I'm Hey Daniel.
That shit sweet.
Mike ain't
like-
fucking with it. But they just not trying to make you. Y'all about to do some weird shit, but I'm going.
This nigga's the worst 2K player ever, man. Don't
Hey,
play with
JJ.
him. Don't ask this nigga. This nigga will not pass you the ball.
Hey, JJ, bro, what's
Best 2K player ever.
Nigga, we